Hello and welcome to the Financial Independence Life. In this episode, we share travel experiences to Oslob, swimming with the whale shark, waterfall, and canyoneering. Okay, we're now in Oslo. We're gonna do the whale shark. Day 3, I think. We're in day 3. Let's check it out. If you like this content, please support my channel by subscribing and clicking the like button.
Good morning everyone and welcome to Tanawan, Oslob, Cebu. Let me give you a short orientation regarding the rules and regulations that you need to follow during your whale shark interaction. We implement these rules for your own safety and for the protection of the whale sharks as well. First and the most important is you are not allowed to touch the whale sharks because they are considered as wild creatures, so they may react violently or may swim away, leading to a shorter interaction. Second,
Alright, here we go, umuulan. Anyways, why do you think we're doing this at this age? Because can you imagine doing this when you're 55 or 60, close to retirement? For me, I feel like that's unlikely because the older age, so many issues that may come up. So while you're healthy, while you're physically able, we make a priority to travel and do all the activities. So we can do all this before we retire. So let's look at it. There seems to be a lot of people in line this morning, and it's actually they open at 6 a.m. and people are already flocking to see the whale shark, swim with the whale shark.
일단 멈추는 거 불러야 되는데 뭐라 불러야 되지? 남자로 불러야 돼? 여자로 불러야
This is where you rinse off any of the, if you're wearing any suntan lotion.
And 5 meters away, if you're going to meet sleepers or swimming fins. That's from the mouth and down to its tail. And you can see that the whale sharks are getting most of the loop.
We're here. We're here. We're swimming with the whale sharks. Yeah. Come on, go. Yeah. Don't worry, they can see you. All right. Let's say hi. Joe's right there.
Ay, ano na Paris na? Why should not have a problem? Dito lang sa, you know?
Nasa punta na ako.
Sige, sige.
Oo, dito.
Sa beach picture ako. Oo,
Finished the whale. Nice swimming with the whale shark at Oslob. Good. Amazing. Amazing.
Boy, hukog maning kaya ba? Saan ang balik? Balik na ba tayo?
We're going to Tamulog Falls. Tamulog Falls. Wow. As always. Alright, welcome to Tamulog Falls. Guys, we're going to Tamulog. Wow, look at that. I can't beat that view. Woo! Alright.
Good afternoon, I'm Lucella and welcome to Kawasan Canyoneering Adventure. Sa adventure will take 3 to 4 hours, but it depends on how many pictures that you will take. So from here, you will walk 45 minutes before reaching to the first jump. But if you want to ride a zip line instead of walking 45 minutes, you can only walk 10 minutes going to the first
Zip
jump.
line, Bandayan, adventure. Woohoo! Alright. Emma, you're gonna zip line with me. Like the same. You'll be fine though. Just breathe. Let's do this. Russell, okay ka na?
Ayos.
What are you gonna do, Superman?
Superman.
Okay.
Busog ako ah. Kaya nabusog ako ah.
Alright. Ready? Set! That was fun. How was it? Yeah, let's do it again.
All right.
Alright. Basta.
Enjoy, Sarah.
Thank you.
Napakagaling yung guide nyo dyan, sir. Kasamahan ko yan, si Miko.
Sikat yata yan sa YouTube.
Guide yan, Miss Guide. Tama ko yan sa mataas.
Canyoneering. We just saw this on YouTube. Now we're doing it. Let's see if it's good. So far, it's good. I like the zip line. Seem a little short, but it's good. How was the zip line, Emma? Adele? How about you, Russell?
Yes.
Good thing you held on. Aiden.
Let's go solo. Later. No.
Yeah, take your time. Yeah. You just subwalk.
Your feet.
Yeah.
So tiring though.
Yeah. Just take it slow. It's a slow game. And watch where your steps is.
Hey guys, all right?
Yes.
Oh no.
Oh, this is slippery here. Ooh, I'm sweating already. I can imagine if it's hot, it's gonna be even twice as much hard. It's pretty cool. It's what I always thought it would be when I was watching it on YouTube. It's the same, better experience right now going to canyoneering. So I recommend it for you guys too. But let's complete the journey. There's a walk. Like I said, it's another 10-minute walk to our first jump. So I'll see you guys there. There we go. Woo, sweating, but it's good. I haven't sweat this much since I got on vacation. Stop running again, starting tomorrow. You guys okay? Take your time. Buckets. We're almost there. Woo! Our first canyoneering. so sweaty. Look at that. Woo. There we are. And now it's the Kawasan Canyoneering.
Jump straight, okay?
Okay,
Okay. So guys, again,
jump straight.
this is not all about jumping. This is all about enjoying the scenery and enjoying this. Okay? So there's optional. Okay? So guys, you ready?
Yeah!
Alright, bring home the bacon.
Yeah! Oh yeah! It's cold, but it's good. Yeah! Here we go! Just do it, just do it. It's not gonna get cold, it's not gonna get cold.
Down. Alright.
Amazing! Del, look at the view. We finally made it in Kawasan Falls. Yeah. After watching every YouTube channel, we finally made it at Kawasan Falls. Woohoo! It's so much fun! So far so good, that was very good. 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10 experience so far. Awesome time. That was fun. No, it's better than Zion. We've been to Zion, it's a lot better than Zion.
circle again.
Okay, it's really what they say, but better. You watch it on YouTube, and you're like, I want to do that, but yet, good. Very good. I'm having a great time. Like I said before, you know, being financially independent, we can do this while we're young. As I grow old, I don't think I'll be able to do this kind of physical activity. So while I can, I will. So we'll continue to travel and enjoy life as we live our financial independence lifestyle. Here we go. Wow. Oh, ang ganda na. Yeah, so beautiful. Look at that. Hi. The Kawasan Falls. You can beat it. The YouTube video doesn't do justice to what you see when you come here. Amazing. Amazing experience. Let me get my other. Go!
To jump. Going to the middle. Good to go. 3, 2, 1, jump.
There you go. Red horse for the trip. Alright, let's do it. Red horse.
You will. Recharge.
Extra strong.
Extra strong kailangan.
The horsepower. Okay lang, but you can sit down.
The best strength.
Are you gonna find apple? Can you open this?
Come on, just open it. My hands are closed.
Sarap. Okay. Is it hot? Okay. Tingnan muna kung masarap.
So what do you guys think of Kawasan Canyoneering?
Fun. The best in
Rate it. From 10.
11.
It's an 11. YouTube doesn't do justice. This is very, very good actually.
I remember all my clothes, like they have like 3 pairs of shoes.
How about my daughter? You rate canyoneering. Would you take your friends here?
Yeah.
You think they'll have fun? All right.
Down there, down run. Because on the other side was too like shallow. It's very dangerous. Maybe you might get. Do you want to touch the bottom? You need to go now. Yeah, ready? Wait, hold on. Mom, you got it?
You taking it?
Okay, fire.
I know.
Okay. Who's next? Okay, I'll go. Oh. Any last words, Emma?
The left side a little bit.
Now, it's good to go.
We're good to go.
Countdown.
Huh?
Countdown.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Nice one.
Okay, you wanna go ba lang or? Okay.
Konting talong lang. Konting hakbang lang. Ready?
Ready?
Good to go.
Set, go!
It's like a dam.
We made it. That was so much fun. Okay, this is something you don't see on YouTube. We're still canyoneering and it's now dark. And it's still fun. It's a different experience. You can't see me in the lights. But anyhow, we're still walking. How are you guys? This is the one unique experience. So, canyoneering at night.
Oh my god.
Overnight canyoneering.
Alright! It must be good.
Alright.
Like this time we just started.
Yeah. two more hours. 2 more hours. 2 more hours na tayo.
Okay, babalik po tayo. Doon po tayo kasi doon po tayo pipick up eh.
So day 3 of our trip to Oslo was filled with so much adventures, from swimming up close to a whale shark, chasing waterfall and ziplining, hiking and jumping in canyons. What an amazing and once-in-a-lifetime experience it is. Next up, we will be traveling to Coron to go island hopping. Please join us. Thank you for viewing my content. I hope you have enjoyed it.